Quite quick vid on changing the blade engagement belt under your cover. There'll be 4 of them. I've just pressure washed this, so it's a bit of a mess. The belt has pretty much had it. Undo these 2 here. You should just be able to do this 1 and then swing it round. I can't find my Imperial sockets either, so a 10mm does fit, but just be careful you don't round them off. And you can, once it gets to a stage, you can just lift it off. You don't need to take it fully off. Next step you want to do, undo that bolt there for the tensioner for the belt. And just leave that loose. Tip the mower up on its side. And what you want to do, this little tab here, you want to bend that outwards if you're strong enough. Might need to get some pliers on it, just so this can be clear to move. So yeah, once that's clear for this to pivot this way, you're good. So to get at the blade belt, which is the top one, you have to take the drive belt off, transmission belt. So what you need to do with this is you need to pivot this way, and then the belt should pop off. You need to be quite strong to do this, but yeah, if you see, hopefully my arms aren't in the way. So there we go. I'll just pivot it this and use my thumb just to lever it off that pulley there, and then that can come out. If you ever have drive issues with your Toro, get a Kevlar belt for it. A lot better than the factory one. You'll have a lot less issues. As soon as I swapped this out, the transmission was a lot nicer. I was going to say, before you tip the mower up as well, just whip this belt off. So yeah, lift it off this side and just let it roll around. And that belt's off. And all you've got to do is then thread it through. So yeah, just work it under this keeper. Come on, you bugger. There you go. And there's one beat up belt. Let's get your new belt. Always go for a Kevlar one. And this is the awkward bit, trying to feed this back in. You just got to route it back in to how you pulled it out. It goes in under there, around the pulley, and then up through that keeper. You'll figure it out once you've done it. Come on. Just go around the other end, fish it out. Make sure it's on the pulley. I just get your transmission belt back on. I like to go around the pulley first. The engine. Yeah, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Just get it on there, hold it with this hand, and then pivot that. Or you can bend this little tab just to stop that. Alright, let's have it done. And pop that on there. Oh shit, I hate the gloves. And that's it, about all on. Right, so you got to tension your cable now. What you want to do is just pull the slack out of it. Make sure your hook's still in at the back there, make sure it hasn't come loose. I like to just get a little clamp the handle off, and then check the belt tension. Right, so I've just tensioned it. That's it, that feels good. You don't want it too sloppy. That should be good. See if you notice your mower bogging down more often. Get in and check this belt. I'm surprised it lasted this long, to be honest. Yeah, before you get the cover back on, just run it up and check.